Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about default line types and custom line types. First we are going to see about different line types. If you see here, the default line type it will be showing in file layer and it is a continuous line too. The command for line type is LT. So by default three are there, but all the three are continuous lines of it. We are going to load some other line types. Click the load button. You can see there is a file known as AutoCAD ISO.lin line types. There is a full table of default line types available within AutoCAD for us to load into the project. Let me try the first one, ISO dash. Click OK. Press OK. Now draw a line, polyline. Say press ortho. I need 100. Press enter. So this is my line and it is in default continuous. So click here. As you already loaded the AutoCAD dash, it will be listing as the AutoCAD dash. So this is a line with AutoCAD dash line type. Let us try with another line type. Draw a polyline. Command LT. Load. Try batten. Select the line. Change the line type to batten. If you are asking me that whether we can load only the line types available in this list, it's a simple no. There are other ways which you can customize and bring in the lines. For example, you see here this gas line. It is written gas at every certain interval. For example, I want to introduce some other. Say try. TRI. Check where this file is. AutoCAD.lin. Press right click. Open. Search for the gas line. Here it is. This is the detail for the gas line. So I want to replicate this, but instead of gas, I want to put TRI. Copy it. Paste it below the last line type. Select it. Press Ctrl H, which is for find and replace. So type gas, that is to find what? Replace with TRI. Replace all, then close. You can see here. File save. It won't be allowing us to save it because it is already being used by AutoCAD file. So when this dialog box opens, you copy the file path. Go to Windows Explorer, open that file path. Copy this line, close it, don't save, cancel this. Now in the folder, search for that file, AutoCAD.iso.lin. Now open it. Go to the last line feature, press enter, paste. File, save. Now close the notepad, come to AutoCAD and press LT. Press load. You can see at the last our try line is there. Press OK. OK. Draw a new line. Click it. Change the type to try line. So that is it about line type. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to Trisapphire E-vids.